So you want to know about my daily routine. It normally starts at about 2:30 in the morning. I start waking my husband up, throw in a load of laundry. Then I go and feed the baby and try to crawl back in bed, but after he's gotten off to work at 4. But normally one of the kids have woken up by then. So I'm up and down. And then I set the alarm clock for 6:45, get up, start breakfast. Get the kids up on the days that the older kids, the school-age kids, actually stay here. It's only 3 days a week. I cook them breakfast, get them up by 7, get them fed, get them off to the bus, watch, make sure they get on the bus. Then I do the dishes and clean up the kitchen from having done that, put everything back, because in my house, our kitchen's so small, you have to move everything in order to do anything. Then I normally swap the laundry over again, put another load in, sweep the floors. Baby normally wakes up and needs to be fed again. Around that 9 or 10, Emma will normally wake up. So make her some breakfast, feed her, do the dishes again, make sure she gets the bath, gets dressed. That takes forever because she likes to run around naked all day. Have to fight about that and over what she wants to wear. Then clean up the rest of the house, sweep the floors, vacuum, throw in more laundry, take care of the baby, so on, make any phone calls for appointments, business, personal, what have you, throughout the day. Lunchtime is normally around anywhere from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. So make dinner or make lunch, get the kids fed, then go ahead and do the dishes and clean everything up from then. Let me see. Sweep floors again because I have a toddler and a small baby at home during the day, so it's a lot of messes on the floor. Pick up toys, nonstop. Pick up toys. Fight with my daughter probably about getting dressed again. Then comes the kids probably coming home from school. There's 3 days a week that they're here. So got to do the after-school snack thing. Then we go and start dinner. Clean up the dishes as I go for that as best as I can. Wednesdays is church. So we go straight to church from there when my husband isn't working overtime and keeping the vehicle. We used to do gymnastics on Thursdays, so that was another thing we just ran straight on. But on typical days, we don't have something like that going on. Just get dinner on the table, keep doing laundry, keep cleaning up, get the kids fed, then they got to get baths, then we have to clean the bathroom because everybody makes a mess with the water and nobody puts their laundry away. Kids have to do their chores after they get home from school too. I forgot about that. That normally takes a little while. Nobody wants to cooperate. Then give the kids their medicine and they go to bed. Emma does not go to bed easily, neither does Olivia, so they normally take a long time. So usually by about 11 o'clock, I finally can settle into the bed. But then I have to get up and down because Emma's night terrors and Olivia just waking up all day and night and wanting to play. And then I got to get up again at 2:45, 2:30 in the morning. That's my daily routine. I'm sure I'm forgetting a lot. It's hard to think back and go, what do I do all day? Because you're just constantly moving. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And now that you've seen a video of my face and me talking, you see that that picture that you all said was so beautiful is a lot better than what it really looked like. It was a pretty good picture. So, okay, thanks. Talk to you later.